Hey everyone and welcome. So on this video we're covering actuals on fixed price projects and project contracts containing fixed price order lines. All right, so I'm here on a project contract and we have a order line that is of a fixed price in nature. We have fees included, no times, no expenses, and only fees. So from the context of this project contract, let's now create an invoice and let's see what happens. All right, so an invoice is created for an amount of 1,000, and looking at actuals, unlike on time and material lines, we're not getting any actuals in the system simply by creating an invoice. On time and material lines, we'd get unbilled sales actuals as well as cost actuals after an approval, after a time entry has been approved. But on fixed price project contract lines, we're not getting any actuals at this point. Now we do have the invoice. So now what we'll do next is we'll confirm the invoice and come back to actuals, and let's refresh this list right here. So we can see that confirming the invoice creates an actual with a transaction type of billed sales and a transaction class of milestone. As you can see, we only have a billed sales actual, so we don't have an unbilled sales actual like we do on time and material lines, nor do we have a cost actual like we do on a time and material project. So on fixed price, we only have a single actual that's of transaction class milestone. So coming back to the invoice, let's now click on correct this invoice to correct it. A reversal is created with amount of negative 1,000. And coming back to the actuals, we can see that we have the same actual in with an adjustment status of in process, just like we did on the time and material ones. And now confirming this corrected invoice, we'll see some changes in the actuals. So let's come back to the actuals and refresh the list. And now we can see that we have another billed sales actual that has an adjustment status of unadjustable, and it's a reversal of the original billed sales actual. So on fixed price lines, we'll only get two actual records when we go through the whole correct this invoice or sort of the credit note process, as opposed to the time and material project contract lines where we'll get several actuals. So in that sense, fixed price projects are more straightforward. All right, so this covers actuals on fixed price projects. I hope you enjoyed this brief video and have a good one.